Good morning, guys. Assalamu alaikum all. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. If it's your first time here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for joining the family. If you subscribed, thank you so much. For my returning, welcome back, guys. I appreciate you guys so much for coming back and watch my videos. So yeah, today is going to be me at home. Just I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what I'm gonna be doing in this day. Yeah, so as you guys saw there, I went to spa, and yeah, I wanted to get some stuff, and now gonna make breakfast. So guys, the chicken which you guys see here is for spaghetti. I'm gonna put in spaghetti. We are making spaghetti for lunch. So yeah guys, but first I have to I'm preparing my breakfast. Yeah, I'm having wheat bix with some fruits. Yeah, so when we're done with the breakfast, I'm gonna go straight to I'm gonna start with my lunch before my son come back from school. So enjoy the video, guys. Please like now. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with lunch now. As you can see, I'm already in the kitchen. I'm done with my breakfast, so I'm gonna start with the chicken. I'm gonna cut chicken and then I'm gonna cut all the vegetables which I need, and then when I'm done cutting, guys, we're gonna cook together. I'm going to be telling you guys what I'm doing, what spice I'm adding, and all the good stuff. So there is water. I'm boiling water for spaghetti to be quick.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember
Okay, my lovely people, we are done cutting our vegetables and now we're gonna start with cooking. So in this pot I'm adding the water which we boiled earlier on, and in the pot in the water I'm gonna add salt. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons olive oil. You can add any oil which you are using for your cooking, and then I'm gonna add spaghetti and let it cook. In other side we're gonna be preparing the sauce as we are waiting for spaghetti to be done.
Nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you.
Okay guys, so in this pot I'm adding some oil. I'm gonna add onion and fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's soft. Don't have to be brown, okay? And then after that, or after 3 to 4 minutes, I'm gonna add the ginger and garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon, and fry for a minute. And then I'm gonna add the chicken.
Well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
When I make spaghetti, I don't like to add too many things. I don't like to add too much spices. So I'm adding raja, just a little bit of raja spicy. I'm adding tomato and chili paste, and it's not hot, it's not spicy, this chili paste guys, this tomato and chili paste. It's not you can't even feel this chili inside. So yeah, that's what I'm adding. And the next thing I'm gonna add a chicken cube. And yeah, I was adding some water, spaghetti water, a little bit, because it was burning. And now I add my peppers, and I'm gonna just slow the flame and cover and let it cook for about maybe 10 minutes. And yeah, it's after 10 minutes now, and I'm gonna add my spaghetti. As you can see guys, I did strain the spaghetti. So yeah, I'm going to add which water is gonna be left. I'm gonna throw it, but this water guys give taste in your spaghetti when you cook spaghetti. So if you strain all water, you are just throwing all, you know, all goodness. Okay guys, so I won't boil again this spaghetti. It's done like this. Yeah, I just mix it nicely to combine all the ingredients, the sauce and the spaghetti nicely. And yeah, I just off the flame, because when I boil it nice to be done. So yeah guys, here I was just making the orange juice. My son loves orange juice, and he was almost home from school, so I just wanted to make ready everything. When he come back, he's always like, Mama, I'm hungry. He don't say anything. He's gonna be like, Assalamu alaikum, Mama, I'm hungry. So I wanted to prepare everything, make ready. When he come back, we sit and have our lunch.
If I can lay down beside you, I would.
I just love this juicer when I'm in hurry, because as you guys can see, you can put like 3-4 fruits same time. So it saves time. I have the small one. You have to cut fruits in small pieces, and it takes time. So when we inherit, this one is the best. I love to use this juicer. So yeah guys, I was done here, as you can see. Now I'm gonna just serve, because my son was already home. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to like, share, and comment down below anything. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching once again. Bye bye guys.
Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I